Today I'm going to show you how to fit a TFT screen anti-theft brace to an R1250 GS in 5 easy steps. Step 1 is to remove the screen. It's held in by 2 fasteners on the inside of the screen. Just be careful when you're removing them, because if they drop down into the bike, they could be lost forever. And once you've got the screen fasteners removed, you just have to take hold of the screen and unhook it like so. Screen's off and we're ready for the next step. Step 2 is to remove this black plastic trim here, and it's located with 4 fasteners, and the tool which you use to take the screen off can be used to take this black trim off the bike. With all 4 fasteners removed, you can now remove the trim from the front of the bike. Comes off fairly easy, and just put it to one side. Step 3 is to position the brace on the screen itself. The first thing you've got to do though is to remove the 2 fasteners on this side of the TFT screen and the corresponding 2 fasteners on the other side of the TFT screen. This will allow you to insert the brace onto the screen itself. You do get 4 extra fasteners in the kit. This is to allow for the extra thickness of the brace. The kit also comes with 4 additional nylock nuts. If you're not using the brace in conjunction with our screen strengthening brackets, you will need these 4 nylocks to secure the fasteners on the other side of the brace. Prior to fitting the brace, make sure that you take the neoprene which is supplied in the pack and cut it down the middle and put it around the inside of the brace itself. This forms a cushion between the brace and the TFT screen. The next job is to retract the 2 fasteners. There's 2 either side of the screen, yet leave them in the housing, because this will help once the brace is in position and you can push the fasteners through to fully locate it. So we're going to take the brace now and position it onto the screen itself. Make sure it lines up and it's held in place. And once it's held in place, it should be a matter of just pushing the fasteners through, using the force applied if you wish, or if you need to. Like so, and you can see the brace is now held in place. The next job, of course, is to put the fasteners on, and we're ready for the next step. Step 4 is to fasten the brace fully into place. Now, if you've got one of the rare bikes that doesn't have the prep for sat-nav bracket, that's this item here, then click on the link below and we'll send you some spacers to accommodate this. So the next thing is to either fasten the fasteners back into the screen strengthening brackets. If you've got them fitted, you'll notice they've got captive nuts. If you haven't got the screen strengthening brackets fitted, then you can use the 4 nylock nuts that come in the pack. So that's the brace now securely fastened using either the 4 captive nuts on the screen strengthening brackets or the provided 4 nylock nuts. Finally, step 5 is to replace the plastic trim at the front of the bike and the windscreen, and job done. And there you have it. The bike's back together and you've now fitted your TFT screen anti-theft brace in position, and it will hopefully make sure that you hang on to your screen a little while longer.